Hey, welcome to Backwoods Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook this $50 tomahawk steak on a campfire to perfection, so stay tuned. So over my life, I've learned that from being camping out in the woods and everything like that, many years, that people underutilize their campfire for cooking. I'll see guys, beautiful campfire going, bunch of the really nice coals, but yet they're over at their camp cooking on the stove. Let's be honest, y'all seen them. They're doing the ramen noodles and Kraft macaroni and cheese and pre-prepared chicken breasts from the grocery store, just like they would if they were at home. That when we go out there to camp, we need to do it the old way to get the full experience. And that's what we're going to do today with this big old, almost $50 tomahawk steak. We're going to get that guy over there, show you how to do that. Hey, we got some sides we're going to do too. And y'all don't click nothing, it's going to be great. So today we're keeping it simple with the sides. Gonna make a couple of potatoes. I'll show you how to do those in the campfire. I mean, I thought everybody knew how to do this, you know, because everybody when I was a kid knew how to do it. Apparently, it's some kind of a lost art. First of all, you got a shiny side and a dull side on your aluminum foil. You want that shiny side towards what you're cooking, okay? Potato in the middle. I'm gonna drizzle it with a little olive oil over top. And I'm gonna, coarse salt's great. I got a little Himalayan pink salt I've been wanting to try. I'm gonna give that a good little sprinkle of that. We're gonna seal this guy up in the aluminum foil. Again, I thought everybody knew how to do this too, but just gonna fold that over. Talk about lost skills these days. Press it down real tight. Fold up each end at least twice. Repeat this with the other potato, and these will be ready to go on the fire, just like that. So you might notice we got that grill pretty high above them coals. We're gonna go ahead and lay that guy up on there. It's really thick. It's got that big bone. We want the sear to happen about the same time as we need to flip it. You see those flames kissing that. I mean, that's okay for a minute. It's going to help the sear, but we're going to go ahead and spread that out just a little bit. Try to cool it off just a skosh. I want a little flame kiss, but not a lot. Got pretty flame kissed on that side, so we're going to go ahead and turn it over. Look at that sear. It's pretty awesome. give it a check. I just flipped up the coils. Still only like 106 degrees inside. We want to get to about to 125 for medium rare. That's the way we like it. But if you want it doner, check out the temperatures, and you can Google that real quick and tell you what the temperature is for each level of doneness. All right, I just checked the internal temp. It went up really quick. 124. About where we want it. We're gonna go ahead and take it off. Put it over on our tray and let it rest. So also I've been down here rotating these potatoes about every 4 or 5 minutes. And it's about time, and I don't want to do this until I think they're almost done, but you know, the poke test is going to tell you whether or not they're done. And that slides right in. That one, not quite yet. Okay, so I'm going to put that one over there. This one I think is done. So I'm going to pull it over here where it's still got some radiant heat, but not a lot of direct heat, just a few coals on it. We'll scoot that one a little closer to fire. And now we want to get our veg ready. So we're going to go ahead and put this cast iron on here. Let's scoot some of our coals up nice and tight. Get some good heat on that guy. And we'll do up some broccoli real quick over the Black Lock Lodge cast iron. Okay, so before it gets too dark to film here, it's the broccoli. And this is frozen broccoli, okay? You could have in the fridge or whatever, in the cooler. I thawed this out prior to this. Hit that nice hot cast iron. Just warm that up. There's no reason why you can't make great food right on your campfire at camp. So sometimes you just gotta, since we're doing this on one set of coals, sometimes you just gotta go in there and adjust things. Get that right on the damn fire. Get that up to the steam, and we'll be ready to eat. All right, folks, it's time for the plate. Let's bring over, first of all, one of our, ooh, that joker hot. One of our cold cooked baked potatoes. This is a Florida Gold here right now, but russets work great too. That's, you know, what I grew up on, the big old russets. And they take a little longer. So look at that guy, how nice and browned it is from that olive oil that we put inside. Oh Lord. Let's go ahead and get that on the plate. Alright, we got some Kerrygold butter right there. You see how beautiful that butter looks. To me, the best butter around here. So gonna open that campfire baked potato, give it a big old dollop of that Kerrygold. Let's keep this handy. Okay, I'm gonna go over and grab some of our broccoli we just pulled off the fire in that hot cast iron. Broccoli right there. And again, we're going to give that, it's just slightly browned. Looking beautiful. Another little dollop of Kerrygold in that nice warm broccoli. Alright, star of the show's coming up. Let's grab our beautiful DALSTRONG knife. If you'd like to check out some DALSTRONG knives, please check out our discount code in the description below for a great 10% off of the entire line of DALSTRONG knives. Since Mrs. Backwoods gets the display plate, I'm going to take her off that beautiful end there. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me get that over here where you can see it. Little past medium rare, but that's probably because I'm trying to film here and sit here and rest it too long. And a lot of you guys might really like it that way. I could have took it a little darker, and parts of it might be closer to the bone. I'm gonna say nah. Now that I'm slicing into it, perfect medium rare, just like we like it. You want a bite of that? I know you do. Okay, so next time you're out camping, and I know it's mostly this younger generation just wants to make something fast, easy, and whatever, but if you make something like this on your campfire, your kids, your family, and everybody that's there with you is always going to remember that you made something special. Let's go ahead and give that a taste test. I know it's going to be awesome. Cook right over that smoke. Well, I hope this video has inspired you to make something special at camp for your family, your kids, your friends, whoever, that they'll remember forever. So if you like the video, please smash that like button down there. To subscribe to our channel, you can do it right there. For a whole playlist of outdoor cooking, it's going to be right there. And for another playlist of campfire cooking, it's going to be right there. We'll see you next time.